Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tejashwi. I do fashion blogs. Today I'm going to show you Amazon home decor haul. I have got a lot of things because it's our new house and I want so many things which are required for the house. So let's not wait and start the video right away. The first thing that I want to show you is this beautiful white lamp. This is so white that I am very scared that how am I going to keep it clean and nice and white. But this goes really well with my living room because my living room is mostly based on grays and whites. So I got this beautiful lamp. You should try this lamp and it's very affordable for the quality they are giving. It's a very rustic, beautiful lamp. I'm going to include a picture where I have placed in my house. I got 3 cushions from Amazon and they are absolutely stunning and different. One is for my daughter and 2 of them are to place them anywhere they look good. So this is one. Am I holding it right? Yeah, this is the one. It's a tape recorder cushion. It's a tape recorder cushion. We don't get to see tape recorders right now. But look at how nice this is. This is so gorgeous. This is so different. You don't get these kind of pieces everywhere. And from the same brand, I got the other one. This is Little Star. Look at how adorable this is. This is so cute. I don't know if the camera is catching or not. Yeah, this is it. It is so beautiful. My daughter loves all these cushions. She's saying, I'm not going to give this to anyone. All of them are mine. And the third cushion is this. It says Princess and it's in pure white color. It has many other designs. They have a moon, they have some other designs. But this is what I liked because it has Princess written on this. Can you see it? Yeah, it's so nice. It's so pretty and pretty. It's so pretty. All girls should have these kind of cushions in their rooms. I have got these wooden hangers. They're so lovely. They look so good in your kitchen, in the garden, in the balcony. They look unique. So what it says is the secret ingredient is always love. Of course it is love. Every mother, every wife, everyone gives love in their kitchen. That's how they make food. This I got for my balcony. This is a very lovely cactus which is bright green in color. It says, bloom where you plant it. It's so lovely. It looks so nice. With the cool pink glasses. My daughter loves this a lot. In today's haul, there is a favorite of mine. All of them are my favorite, but one is my absolute favorite. And this is the one. It's a beautiful, I don't know what to call it. It's a beautiful chain. It's so gorgeous. You can place it anywhere and it's going to look gorgeous. I love these kind of bronze colored items. See, like this. I also love this one. This is of same metal and they look so good. They look costly and nice. I got this for a great deal on Amazon. This is so lovely. If you want to buy one thing from my haul, this is the one you should buy. This is love. Our master bedroom is based on 3 colors, that is beige, blue and grey. So I got these beautiful frames, that set of 3. They are very cheap for what we are getting. I think it's a must buy product because look at the designs. This is modern art. This looks amazing in your bedroom, in your hall. Look at them. They're very good. I got these frames. They're very tiny. They're not as shown in the picture. I know that they're going to give me this size only. I want this size because they're set of 3. They're going to fill the place where you want to keep it. For the price we pay for this is worth it. This is really worth it. I got a product from Home Center. I got it from Amazon only. So this is the pot. This is a cute pot. This pot is also boho-only. Look at this. Look at the design. It's so pretty. So I use this in my living room. I put this fake plant in it. This is from IKEA. So this is how it's going to look. Look how cute it is. It's so pretty. I love this. I love this pot a lot because it's of great quality and it's going to last forever. And the color is white. Of course my living room is white. I want everything to be white. I also got this love. It is so cute. If you want to take photographs for yourself or you want to take photographs of your child, these kind of knick-knack things will look very good on the camera. So I got this. And I am a great fan of tray. Wherever I want to put something, some decor or some vase, I usually put in these kind of trays. This is a very inexpensive tray and it's a very good quality tray. It looks so rustic. It feels like it's not polished and it looks so raw. It's so nice. It's a very good size tray. You can also use it for your kitchen. That's how it works. But I use it for home decor. Last product of this haul are these beautiful artificial flowers. This is a very lovely artificial flower, pink in color. I really like this one. And this is a very trending leaves, I would say. They are very good. They go with a lot of vase. It looks little plasticky, but I like them, so I kept them. This is it guys for today's video. I'm so happy to share you my home decor products. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.